What's up, folks? Wil Reynolds here, and this is another Wasteful Wednesday, the series where I show you how to take some money back that you're probably giving to Google because they don't need any more. In today's episode, we're going to talk about 3 little letters that can waste you a lot of money. PDF. When people add the word PDF next to a keyword, guess what the freak they want? A PDF. And are you offering them that? Hardly ever. So let me show you a couple of examples to make it real for you and make sure that you don't fall into the same trap that just lines Google's pockets with more money that they don't need. Let's go. So, how to sell PDF files online using PayPal. Real search term, got real clicks, gave Google money. Wix? Nah,
Sorry,
this isn't.
I don't understand.
Google's everywhere, y'all. Google's everywhere. So this, probably not what they want to get clicks on. I'm not going to click because I'm not trying to take people's money, Google. But risk management tools and techniques in banks, PDF. Weird query, I know, but I found it and I found somebody bidding on it. And sure enough, look at these results. It doesn't really feel like PDF, like our tool. Get our tool. Get our software. It's like, I told y'all I wanted a PDF. And I'm specifically looking for examples in banking. That's a whole nother episode we're going to get to. I can't wait to get to that one. But let's continue. MongoDB administration PDF, real word that I caught. And look at the results here. No, this isn't what I'm looking for. And of course, organically, once again, Google knows if you want a PDF, there's a good chance we should show you a page. That's a damn PDF. And I can only imagine that there's links to PDFs from these docs. So there you go, Adobe, MongoDB, administration, PDF. You said you wanted a PDF, Google Organic gives you a PDF. On the paid side, they'll just take your money. And the last one I got for you. This one isn't PDF specific, but I'm gonna show you a way that college kids are taking your freaking money. So be very careful that people are searching for generic words and the word textbook. As you can see, and respect to Oracle and Fair Market and these other companies that are showing up here, respect to you guys. At least you're giving ebooks, but I'm looking for a textbook. And I will tell you, these words are getting clicks, and those clicks aren't helping customers or clients. They are just resulting in people losing their budget. That's this Wasteful Wednesday. If, my friends, you have any hypotheses you want me to run and check for you, please leave a comment below. I'll be more than willing to do it. And if you're like, man, you've been dropping all these nuggets, but I kind of want to run my account through all these ideas and then some, go to Saving Ben. It's our tool. There's a link somewhere around here. And once you get there, you can check it out at scale to see how many times this is happening to you.